Are you kissing it? What is it? What you got there? What are they? What is that? Show me. Show Grandma. Here. Put them here. Where do they belong? Where are you putting them? Put them in the bowl. Jack, what are you doing? What kind of light is that? Jack, show Grandma what you have. What are they? What are they? What are they? Tell me what they are. Who's a silly boy? Woo! What kind of light is that? Where's the light? Uh-oh, what'd you do? Did it hurt? Did it hurt? Do you like playing with Grandma? Do you like playing with Grandma? Yeah? Wave bye-bye. Can you wave? Say bye-bye. What happened? Did it hurt? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.